Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to put your SIM card to the Samsung Galaxy A40. So SIM card tray is located on the left side of the phone. You will need the SIM card ejection tool, which is part of the packaging. Now you can open it by pushing through this hole, and now just use your fingernails to open the tray and locate the SIM1 slot, which is marked on the right side. And you must line up with this corner here. Now we can push it back to the phone. Like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.